Movies are a great way to spend time with friends and family and see the impossible. Have you ever been calmly eating your popcorn, enjoying the movie, and then suddenly your favorite hero jumps out of the window with only a rope attaching him to the building? How do they do this? Yes, some of this is illusion or CGI, but there are a lot of forces at work when the actors perform stunts to keep them safe. What is a force? A force is an interaction that will change the motion of an object. How can forces be calculated? They are calculated with F equals ma, or force equals mass times acceleration. Acceleration can be calculated by velocity times time. How many types of forces are there in the universe? Well, we don't really know. There are many types. We are going to focus on three: tension, gravitational force, and normal force. Let's talk about tension force. Let's imagine a block hanging from a rope from the ceiling. Well, since we are on Earth, we know that there is gravity pulling it down. We also know that the block is not moving. This means that there must be a force counteracting the force of gravity, keeping it still, meaning the forces are equal. What about gravitational force? We are able to stand on the Earth because of gravity. It's pulling us towards the center of the Earth. But this is not the only way gravity affects us. Gravity is present between every single two objects. That means even between you and your computer, there is a pull of gravity. Finally, what is normal force, and how can a force be considered normal? Well, let's think about this. We know that on the Earth is constantly pulling us towards the center of it. So there must be a force that is pushing us away from the center of the Earth. Let's zoom in a bit. Imagine you're standing on the street. You have the normal force pushing up against you and gravitational force pulling you down. You don't really feel these forces because they've always been present on you, but they're always there. And these two forces, like our tension and gravitational forces, are equal, preventing you from moving in the y direction. Now let's calculate the force of gravity on you using our F equals ma equation. The standard person weighs about 62 kilograms, and the acceleration of gravity is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. The negative signifies a downward force. Based off this, we multiply the two together, and we are able to obtain the force of gravity, which would be 607.6 newtons. We can then take our gravitational force and set it equal to the force of tension. So this is how our stunt actor prevents falling. The force of tension is equal to the gravitational force. Our gravitational force is negative 607.6 newtons, so our tension force must be the same. Since they are not moving, this means that the forces are equal, but with opposite signs. Thank you for watching.